everybody, welcome to our brand new STEM lab at Mar Ivanios CBSE School, Kuzhithurai. This isn't just another classroom, but a place where we learn through developing, creating and exploring. Through hands-on activities like science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. This is how we create our ideas into a real-life examples. Our STEM lab develops creativity, critical thinking, innovation, teamwork and etc. It also gives us more and more opportunities to showcase our ideas in robotics, technologies, artificial intelligence and so on, giving us the confidence to become tomorrow's innovators and engineers.